Okay, guys, so these are your exit slip questions. We haven't really done exit slips, but since you were holding on to your notes, I wanted a paper version of something to see how you guys did. So go ahead, write down these two problems. Please write down the problems and then solve them and show me your answers. I would like you to try and do them all on your own, and then we will go over it just like bell work. So pause the video now, solve A and B, and then check them. Okay, so welcome back. We are going to be solving both of these, keeping in mind we have to use square roots because that was the whole point of the lesson. So on example A, we are solving for B. I know that B squared equals 49, so let's do our little line down the middle. Okay, the only way to undo B squared is to square root both sides, which is going to leave me with a single B on the left. Okay, and then I have square root of 49. So since I wrote in the radical sign, I'm going to have plus or minus, and then figure out what times itself gives me 49. That's going to be 7. So B could equal positive or negative 7. Next example, a little bit more advanced. There's one step before I have my squared term all alone. So I'm going to try and get x squared alone by undoing addition of 15. So the inverse of positive or plus 15 is minus 15. So I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. So I'm going to get x squared equals 121. Then to get x squared to be just a single x, I'm going to square root both sides. I get x equals, again, since we wrote in the square root or the radical sign, I'm going to put in a plus or minus. And then what times itself gives me 121? That is 11. So positive 11 or negative 11. Either of those would work as a solution. So make sure you turn that into the substitute. If you do not turn it in, you're going to get a 0 on it. And make sure the substitute initials telling me how your behavior was. I'm sure it was perfect. Okay?